Now let's solve a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. You see I have written that here on the right. Y is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. This will give us our two solutions for the quadratic equation on the left. First thing we need to do, however, is put this in standard form, which is compare everything to 0. So subtracting 5 from both sides, that's now equal to 0. Now we need to recognize our a, b, and c values. A in this case is equal to 1. B is equal to 4, and C is equal to a negative 5. So we can now take these values, plug them into the quadratic formula we see on the right here. So y is equal to a negative b, which is a negative 4, plus or minus the square root of b squared, 4 squared in this case, just write that as 16, minus 4 times a times c. Now be careful of our signs here. We have a negative 4 times a positive 1 times a negative 5. That actually gives us a positive value, a positive 20 for this problem, all over 2 times a. Being 1, we have 2. So now we need to simplify under the radical sign. We can say y is equal to a negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 36 all over 2. Now we'll simplify under the radical sign. Move this up just a little bit. We can say y is equal to negative 4 plus or minus 6 all over 2. Now, believe it or not, there's two solutions in there. And if we add across the top, negative 4 plus 6 will give us a value of 2 over 2. And 2 over 2, we know, gives us a value of 1. And if we go across the subtraction now, negative 4 minus 6 will give us y equals a negative 10 all over 2. And we achieve our other solution here of y equals negative 5. So we've done it. We found the two solutions for our quadratic equation.